All right, so I only have about 3 minutes, so I'm going to give you the very high level exposure to what the platform looks like. So I'm going to log in real quick. Perfect. All right, so on the screen here, I'm in the cloud. I'm in Chrome right now. Use any browser you're comfortable with. This is the primary hub once you've been set up on your integration tool. It's what we call our dashboard. In here, it's a one-stop shop where you can come in and you can access any of your previous integrations. If you have 5 different systems integrated, it's one place to go. Here's the status. Here's who ran it last. Here was the, was it successful? How long did it take? Now, when's the next time it's going to run? You go to one place and you can manage all of them. In the upper left, this favorite section, these are all examples of workflows. Popular workflows might be I have a payroll entry that I need to upload every 2 weeks into my accounting software. And so that's one of my workflows. A completely distinct, another workflow might be I need my Salesforce accounts to now create customers on the Intact side. And so that would be another example of a workflow. I have quite a few here. It makes it really easy for me to hop in. This is cloud to cloud. So essentially, as my colleague likes to call it, the nirvana of integrations. So Salesforce to Intact is going to move just by me clicking that button. It's going to then bring up in this history section. It's going to say, okay, it's working through those steps, collect the data from Salesforce, transform it. Everything that you saw on that other slide, when it comes from start to finish, all those different steps are happening right now, just naturally by me clicking that button. And it's going to create those new customers for me right within Intact. And that's all that I need to do. Maybe I don't want to come in here and click that button though. I can also come in here and set it to a schedule. I want my accounts, in this case, it's a very lax schedule. It's going once per month. Maybe I want it to run only once a day. I want it to run overnight. I don't want it to constantly be running, but you can set that schedule to whatever frequency makes sense for you. And then it's going to push that data over. You don't even need to come into this platform. And then the bottom left, this is just to give you an idea of some of the different credentials that could be managed within here. I have quite a few. You see here about 14 distinct systems. The green dots are good, the red dots are bad. That means that I have to update my user password or my connection. That's that credential stage in the workflow. But it makes it really easy once you've been set up to come in here and you can see very user-friendly, UI is clean. You can come in and see everything that you need. You know, what are my workflows that exist? When's it running next? What was the status of when it ran? And then what's that initial connection point? Is it currently set up? Did somebody change my password? Somebody shut off my user? Anything like that.